Hello! My name is Gio, short for George, and this is my new printmaking channel. Today I'm going to teach all of you about watercolor monoprinting. Watercolor monoprinting is a really quick, really accessible means of printmaking that creates these cool, staticky ways of printmaking. So today I'm going to teach you how you can create these types of prints yourself. To do this, you'll need the following materials: a standard set of watercolors, scratch paper or newsprint, your choice of cut-to-size printmaking paper. Any paper designed for printmaking will suffice. Last, you will need an acrylic plexiglass plate. Once you have assembled all of your materials, you can begin to create your print. To start, you'll paint your design onto your acrylic plate. Here you can mix different shades and colors of paints as well. Here I'm creating this strange sprite dragon ghost with multiple shades of purples. An important note to include is that while you are painting, you want to use as much paint as possible and skim on water. Since we're going to be using water to reactivate the paint to actually print our design, you're going to want to use as much paint as possible. Once you have finished painting, you want your design to sit and dry. While you can, of course, just allow it to sit on its own, I prefer to use fans in order to expedite the drying process. After your design has dried, you'll want to overlook your paint to make sure that there are no wet marks. If there aren't, then your piece is ready to go to the next step. From here, you will grab your piece of paper you wish to printmake on, as well as get a paper towel, as well as a cup of water. From here, you will wetten your paper towel, and then you will skim it across your paper, wettening one side of it. This wettened paper will then activate your paint once it comes into contact with your design. After wetting your paper, you'll lightly place it upon the design, and then, using some means of pressure, you will apply it onto the design. Here I am using a brayer, but anything from your fingers to a wooden spoon will be able to get the job done. Finally, after applying a couple minutes of pressure onto your design, your paper is ready to be lifted and your print is ready to be revealed. From the residue paint left on your plexiglass plate, you'll be able to create a ghost print using what paint you have left. To do this, just repeat the same printmaking process.
Yes!
After that, or if you would like to skip making the ghost print at all, you will take your wet paper towel and skim it across the plexi, removing all the residue paint. From there, you'll want your prints to rest and dry since the paper is very wet, and once they've flattened out, there you have your prints! Thank you so very much for watching. I'd love to hear from you all what you thought of this. I'm going to try and create more printmaking content in the near future. If you have any suggestions for what you would like from these videos or what else you would like me to create, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one!